Hey, today I'm going to go over the C# program that we've created in our last video. Um, so first we have our solution. Now our solution is not our project. It is just a container for our projects. And here we have C# tutorial. C# tutorial is our project. And then we have our dependencies and then program.cs. Now, program.cs is where all the code get executed, and that's where we're going to start learning how to code. Now, let's open up our program.cs, and then here we can see it says console.writeLine hello world. What console is it's a class, and writeLine is a method. And hello world is a parameter that's going to be used within writeLine. And you don't have to know anything about classes and methods yet, but we're going to get to it later on in the videos. Now, to debug a program, you press debug up here. You can press F5 or just click on start debugging. And you can see that hello world is displayed in the console. That's because what console.writeLine does is it displays text into the console. Now, now I'm going to teach you about strings, about comments. Comments are created using double slashes, and then your comment goes into here, or multi-line comments are done with a slash and a star, and this is a multi-line comment. So I'm going to do things a little differently with the tutorials. I'm going to be creating notes along with the tutorials, and I'll be using the same project throughout the tutorial. So I'm going to create a shortcut key for the comments. So I'm going to go to tools. I'm going to go to options, and then you want to go to keyboard, and then type in comment, and under comment selection you want to press the shortcut key Alt Q, and then press assign. Then for uncomment you want to type uncomment, and then press Alt S and then assign it to the uncomment selection, and press OK. And those are going to be the shortcut keys I'm going to use for the comments. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take notes. I'm going to write the tutorials as if I'm taking notes, and maybe that will help you learn better learn better or faster. Because that way you don't have to come back to the video. You can just look over your notes if you copy the notes that copying the notes and the program that I am writing. So that's what I'm going to do. And then later on, I'm going to tell you how to use the notes that you're taking from my tutorials. And here I'm going to write down a note. I'm going to say console dot writeLine displays a text to the console, and the text that it displays are inside of the parameters. Okay, and this is it for today, and thank you for watching.